Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset a BMW E87. It's a BMW from 2016 and we did an oil change and some different services, so I'm going to show you how to reset that manually so you can do it for yourself or do it for somebody else you can help with. Before we start our YouTube channel Service Reset My Car, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. If you have any requests on any model car, you can ask me on the comment area. Questions are also welcome. Comments, positive, negative, don't matter, also welcome on the comment area. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. It's a BMW E87. And I'm going to show you how to service reset this by hand. We have to turn the ignition on. I turn it off first and ignition on, and then you'll get a sign like this that the service is due, and I'm going to show you how to reset that. We have to wait that the sign is gone, the indicator for the service is gone, and once it's gone you have a button over here. We press this button over here, keep pressing that, hold that till the menu for the service indicator appears on the dashboard. Yes, like this. You can scroll through the menu with this button, and then you can see which service you have to reset. We did a inspection service, and once you are here, press it again, keep pressing that, and it's ask you, do we need to reset it? Press it again, and then you see the indicator filling up like this. And once it's gone, then the indicator, the surface has been reset. And I'm gonna scroll through the menu for other surfaces that need to be resetted. If there aren't any red surfaces, it's all green, so everything is resetted. Then you are finished for resetting this car. That was it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked our videos. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe is always appreciated, and comments, questions, you can ask me on the comment area, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another car. Bye bye.